Good morning, students. Next topic in case of amine. Second method for separation of primary, secondary and tertiary amine. कल हमने एक मेथड किया था हॉफमैन्स मेथड. अब आज हम नेक्स्ट मेथड करेंगे हिंसबर्ग मेथड. वैसे तो हमने फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन भी किया था, बट वो ऐसे कोई मेथड में लिखा नहीं जा सकता, बहुत छोटा सा मेथड है. तो हिंसबर्ग मेथड के अंदर जो रिएजेंट यूज होगा वो रिएजेंट यूज होता है पैराटोल्यूइन सल्फोनाइल क्लोराइड. पैराटोल्यूइन सल्फोनाइल क्लोराइड मीन्स मिथाइल ग्रुप and sulfonyl chloride group present on the para position to each other on benzene ring. So that is known as the para toluene sulfonyl chloride. So when para toluene sulfonyl chloride is treated with primary amine, जब हम इसे प्राइमरी अमाइन के साथ ट्रीट करेंगे तो यहाँ से ये जो क्लोरीन है और एक हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम द प्राइमरी अमाइन will combine and HCl will removed and product is formed like this and this is known as what. इसे आप क्या बोलोगे? this यहाँ अभी एक हाइड्रोजन अभी भी प्रेजेंट है यहाँ पे. it is known as N-alkyl sulfonamide. This is known as N-alkyl sulfonamide. N-alkyl sulfonamide. हुआ क्या? Cl from the reagent and H from the amine get combined and HCl is removed and this species will form the adduct and this is known as N-alkyl sulfonamide. Then when we treat this product with the alkali NaOH, OH from the alkali and H from the N-alkyl sulfonamide will combine and form water and in place of hydrogen sodium will take place here. Sodium comes here in place of hydrogen. So formation of this type of product takes place. This is known as the sodium salt of N-alkyl sulfonamide. Means when NaOH is reacted with this species, sodium takes the place of hydrogen in this case. But when the same reagent यानी कि Hinsberg reagent reacted with secondary amine, because secondary amine contains one hydrogen, so hydrogen and Cl will removed and this type of species is formed. N-dialkyl sulfonamide is formed. But now this does not contain any hydrogen attached to nitrogen, so it will further does not react with alkali. ये insoluble हो जाएगा alkali में. ठीक है, वो soluble था alkali में और ये insoluble हो जाएगा. So further अगर हम बात करें तो हमारा जो टर्शरी अमाइन है वो इसके साथ रिएक्ट ही नहीं कर रहा है.